Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Maugham School in Tenafly, New Jersey. I'm actually here at my home in Michigan, so it was a virtual visit to all the students and staff today. We spoke on the main theme of diversity, needing human kindness, and just like my shirt says here, need human kindness. You can see the peace sign inside the logo. That's where peace truly has to begin and where it has to start, right? And once we finally have that self-respect, we can then go out into this world and give it to others, and basically start taking care of ourselves, others, and our community. The more that we give in terms of respect, we're going to get that much more back, right? The more that we're kind, the more kindness we're going to receive back. And so it's so important that we do this because it could not only affect the person that we show that kindness to, but anybody else that sees or hears that kind word or sees that kind deed, it might change their heart positively forever as well. So we have to keep showing that no matter what and keep appreciating diversity. So that was the other main focus today, diversity being our differences on the outside and on the inside, whether it's our skin color, how we dress, the foods we eat, where we're from, our culture, our background, all on the outside. We have to honor all of that, but also what's on the inside, our talents, our skills, our abilities, our gifts. Make sure that we do that. And again, through the different stories that we shared, you see the Need Human Kindness poster back here. You see the peace sign mirror as well, talking about showing kindness as a leader. The various videos that we played, the hip hop songs that we rapped together as well. All of this tied into really starting to change this planet and really start to make it a better place, one act of kindness at a time. And we do that too with the underlying intention inside of our hearts of showing unconditional love. Love without any conditions, right? No matter if somebody's taller than us or shorter than us or wider or thinner and, in a wheelchair or not, disabled or not, wears glasses or not, has money or doesn't, we can still honor and respect that person, see them as a human being before anything else. That's what we talked about the first time I came to visit in person. This year being online, we took it up a level. And now we're going out into this world and we're showing that kindness each and every day to everyone that we interact with, no matter what we've been through or are going to go through, even though this has been a crazy 2020, this week of respect and beyond. Now we can take that out into this earth and really make it a truly better place, because it needs each and every one of you to keep stepping up, to keep showing kindness, to keep showing peace. Thanks so much for touching my heart. Always remember, you guys are true miracles, right? Like the M on all of our palms, M for mom, the lines on our hand, but M also for miracle upside down, W for worthy. To remember that we're all wonderful, we're all beautiful, true miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. We all have value. So never forget that. And as always, make sure to check out my website. You'll see the link pop up on the screen to follow my journey all across this country. Check out the other amazing playlist of videos to see more interesting clips just like this one. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get future updates on videos just like this. Peace.